I know that you know how to write an email. You're not a moron. I get it. But if you think about the amount of emails you write every day and all the different types of emails you have to write, it is a mentally draining endeavor, which is sapping your energy for other tasks you could be doing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write professional emails as well as marketing emails so that you can deliver the exact message you want to deliver to your guests and your vendors and your employees by simply entering prompts into ChatGPT. Okay, prompts that I'm going to give you. Now, if you've not gained access to my AI prompt library, make sure to click the link in the description or up here. You need access in order to get all of the ChatGPT prompts I've created for you. Okay, this is lesson number 6 in my 7-part video series on how to use chat to create an unstoppable restaurant operating system for you and your business. And you want to make sure to check out video number 7. It is the grand finale and it is a doozy. Okay, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to analyze your financial reports and help you fix areas of your restaurant that need rescuing. It is a profit goldmine. All right, for now, let's get into this video. As usual, we're going to go to the AI prompt library and we are going to scroll down to the restaurant email communication and marketing blueprint, hit download, and here we are with our blueprint once again. It has a summary of what we're doing. Now, this is a little bit different than the other blueprints and the other videos we've done because we're not actually creating a manual or creating anything. These are prompts that you can use at any time in order to create emails that you want. Okay, so I'm just going to go over this really quick. The blueprint includes prompts for employee communication, hiring, customer service, vendor communication, internal management, marketing, text messages, and rewriting and improving existing communication. So these are all prompts for this. We're not actually creating a manual or a handbook this time. Okay, then it shows you how this works. We're going to copy the master prompt, describe your situation, who's it for, what happened, what do you want to accomplish, what important facts do you need, and what tone do you want. Okay, and as it says here, don't worry about writing everything perfectly. A few simple sentences are usually enough for ChatGPT to understand the situation. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. Okay, I'll do a sample email just so you can see how this works. And here it says, of course, make sure to double check everything. And once the email is finished, make sure to check and make sure everything's correct. And then as it says here, you can revise it at any time. You read the message that chat gave you. If you don't like it, you can say, hey, make it friendlier, shorten it, make it more professional, rewrite it as a text, add a stronger call of action to action, make it sound more personal, rewrite it for an upset customer. Anything that you want to, in order to make it better, chat will do for you. Okay, it remembers the conversation, and so you can refine it at any time. Okay, so as it says here, the first section is our master prompts for general emails, professional emails, and then there are 18, I think there's actually 16. That might be a typo, 16 marketing emails. So here we go. Here's the master prompt. We're gonna copy paste this into chat to let it know that it is a professional restaurant communication assistant. It's gonna help you write emails. I'm not gonna read all of this out to you. You are welcome to read it. Write communication that's clear, professional, natural, so on and so forth, and then include these things. Now we have a little template here that you can fill out. You just put this into your Word doc. The type of communication, you can put email. I'm going to show you an example of a fictional one we already did. Okay, so type of communication, we're going to do a vendor message. It's for all beer, wine, and liquor distributors for the neighborhood grill. And then as a fictional situation, we're going to prepare for Labor Day weekend, and we're going to do a bunch of specials, and we're inviting the vendors to submit any promotional support they offer. So this is usually, you ask them for swag, you ask them for some, maybe they'll provide some free bottles or cases of beer or keg of beer, and that means we're going to promote their stuff. So we're kind of putting this out there so they can fight for your business, right? So here's all the important facts that you can put in there to let them know. We're looking for support for discounted kegs or cases, rebates, branded glassware, hats, t-shirts, koozies, coasters, all this information in here we're going to put into the email to kind of let them know we will promote your brand if you win us out. Okay, and then we're going to let them battle for it. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to here. We're going to copy this, and we're going to go put it into chat. Go to chatgpt.com as usual. I'm not going to prompt it yet. I'm going to hit Shift Return so I can enter some more stuff. I'm heading back to the blueprint. Avoid this. Here's the situation. And then I'm going to go copy paste the fictional information that I filled out. And we're going to pretend you filled it out and see what chat produces. So I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to copy all this. And then I say include 3 subject line options so I can choose from those. Back to chat. Paste. And now let's see what it puts out. And there it is. You can see how fast it just put it out. And you can go through this and look at it, like I said, make it more friendly, exclude this, add this, and it'll just rewrite it for you instantly. Okay, and then all you got to do is it give you some different subject lines here. So this is an all-one email. This is 3 separate emails that you can look at. And then you'll just copy paste it and you'll send the email out to all of your vendors, and it's a professional email that has been completely written for you. And so that's the process for writing professional emails. Now, if you scroll down here, we have email marketing prompts. And prompt number 1, I'm just going to go through them really quick. Monthly restaurant newsletter. And you can see the little template it creates for you every time. And all you got to do is fill out the template and then ask it to include this. You can copy paste that into chat. New menu announcement, seasonal menu promotion, limited time special, slow night promotion, happy hour promotion. You can see it gives you a template every single time. Live music announcement, trivia night, sports watch party, holiday promotion, birthday club welcome, loyalty program invitation, catering promotion, private event, meet and employee spotlight. I highly recommend doing as many of these as possible. It gets people to know all the people in your restaurant, and then they come in and see them, and it really builds a bond with your guests and the people who work in your restaurant. I like these meet the spotlight, like meet your server, meet your chef, and send them out an email. Order takeout tonight, and there are 16 prompts. I'm gonna have to fix that typo. And you can use all these to send out emails whenever you want. It's a powerful way to get chat to help you create more engagement with your professional colleagues as well as your guests. And there you have it, an entire prompt library of different types of emails for you to use. And you can even take any of the prompts you want and play with them, change them, create new ones on your own now that you see the pattern. Okay, you can do it. The sky's the limit. The world is your oyster. You've barely scratched the surface, and other inspiring cliches to help you reach your potential. All right, make sure to check out the last video in the series, how to analyze your reports and financials using ChatGPT. That one is awesome. You're going to love it, so check it out. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I do appreciate it. I'm going to see you next time. I'm out.